Hey everyone, this is a short video with a few hints on how to use this seal installation tool. This is for the Porsche 964 slave cylinders for the differential locks. So this is 3D printed out of PLA filament, and it's got a 1.5 degree taper, and it fits into the counterbore of the piston from the cylinder. Just goes in like that, and you'll then take your center seal, make sure of course it's facing in the right direction, and you just have to slide it up, work its way up the shaft, and as it's doing that it'll be expanding and it'll slide right onto the piston very easily. Now, a couple of points. If you do decide to 3D print this, I will upload the printer file to Thingiverse, and I'll post a link in the comments section of this video so you can download it for free. When you do go to print it, set your resolution fine, but even when it's fine, there is a bit of roughness here, and I would advise you either sand it smooth, or what I did, because I was in a hurry, is I just wrapped it with Teflon tape, and that made a very slippery surface, which meant the seal would slide up very easily. And while on that topic, the one thing you want to make sure does not happen is that your seal doesn't drop down in the first groove, because you want it to go in the middle groove, and if it drops in the first groove you're in trouble. So you need to either fill that groove, or some people put Scotch tape around it. What I did is I had an O-ring kit, and I just dropped an O-ring in there that fit quite nicely, but it didn't stick up above the surface of the piston. And then when I wrapped Teflon tape on the seal install tool, I just kept going the full length over across the O-ring and right up to the groove where the middle seal goes. So that allowed the seal to expand, slide into position, and it was very easy. Once that's done, however, the stretching of the seal means it needs to be resized because it's been permanently deformed. And to resize it, I gave it a couple of light wraps with Teflon tape, and then I gave it some very tight wraps with electrical tape, and then I applied this kind of a clamp. This is a fuel line clamp, commonly found on motorcycles and ATVs. I slid that on top and left it for 2 hours, and the seal was perfectly resized. So that is about it. Of course, don't forget to install the rubber O-ring first, because it has to go in this groove first before you install the Teflon seal. And that's it for this video. I think I covered it all. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please click like, and I'll then be encouraged to produce more videos. Thanks again. Bye.